Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best hippie gifts is probably one of the most unique and thoughtful ways to show someone you care, offering a vibrant spectrum of items that resonate with a free-spirited, bohemian lifestyle. From handcrafted jewelry and natural skincare to artisanal home decor and ethically sourced apparel, each piece telling a story of creativity, mindfulness, and connection to the earth, making them perfect for any occasion where you want to give something truly special and meaningful. Number 5. Dremisland Blue Moon Dream Catcher. Introducing a beautiful, handmade dream catcher, designed with a unique half-circle moon and delicate feathers. It's a perfect addition to any room. Crafted with care using natural feathers, cotton lace, and vintage stars, this piece brings a touch of bohemian charm to your decor. Its unique star design is sure to create a festive and cheerful atmosphere wherever it's placed. It measures 8 inches in diameter and 25 inches in length. Legend has it that nightmares pass through the holes, while good dreams are caught in the web and slide down the feathers. Let it bring peaceful sleep. This beautiful wall art is an ideal gift for adults and children alike. It's a great decoration for bedrooms, living rooms, balconies, and parties. Bring a touch of Dremisland's artistry into your home with this enchanting moon and star dream catcher. What we like. This beautiful piece combines natural elements with a unique star design to create a festive and cheerful atmosphere. If you're looking to add a touch of bohemian charm to your bedroom or baby's nursery, this is a wonderful choice. It's also a perfect gift for anyone who appreciates handmade artistry and a touch of magic. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It's a great size for small hands to hold and play with. The colors are bright and engaging, which my child loves. Number 4. Mind-glowing Galaxy Moon Lamp. Transform any room into a stunning starlit galaxy with this lamp. Choose your perfect size and control the ambience with touch or remote. Let your nights be dreamy and imaginations bright. Create a calming adventure with multiple cycling modes and 16 soothing colors. Whether you need a soft glow or a playful light, this lamp sets the ideal atmosphere. This lamp creates a soothing and secure environment with up to 20 hours of light. Its dimmer and auto-off timer ensure a calming glow that promotes restful sleep. Designed for durability, it features kid-safe materials and a splinter-free wooden stand. The cool-to-touch lights and long-lasting battery make it a safe addition to any room. Spark imagination with this award-winning favorite. It makes the perfect gift for birthdays or any special occasion, offering a timeless present for your loved ones. What we like. Transform your room into a stunning starlit galaxy with endless color options and customizable ambience. If you need a comforting night light that eases fears and promotes restful sleep for kids, this is an excellent option. Its award-winning design and kid-safe materials make it a reliable and enchanting gift for cosmic dreamers. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. The design is unique and eye-catching. It's a great gift for any occasion. Number 3. Bellaa Handmade Capiz Shell Wind Chimes. Introducing the Bellaa Handmade Wind Chimes, a beautiful addition to your outdoor space. These musical chimes bring a touch of the ocean to your garden. Crafted by skilled artisans with 15 years of experience, each piece is handmade with traditional techniques. We support local communities, preserving cultural heritage. This large 27-inch chime features 63 authentic Capiz seashells and glass, creating a mesmerizing rainbow shimmer in the sunlight. It's a perfect statement piece for any outdoor setting. Enjoy gentle, harmonious tones tuned for relaxation and mindfulness. It creates a peaceful ambience, perfect for yoga, spa, or simply unwinding. Made with genuine seashells and sustainable materials, it brings authentic nautical charm to your home. Its durable construction ensures lasting beauty. Looking for a unique gift? This chime is ideal for any occasion, from Mother's Day to housewarmings. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who loves peaceful sanctuary spaces. Offer comfort with this touching memorial gift. It's a beautiful way to honor and remember a loved one, providing serenity when words fall short. What we like. Experience gentle, melodic sounds with this large, handcrafted wind chime made from authentic Capiz shells. If you desire to create a peaceful Zen ambience for meditation, relaxation, or simply want to bring the calming vibes of the coast to your garden or patio, this is the perfect statement piece. It makes a meaningful gift for anyone who loves nature and tranquility. What people say. The sound with even a slight breeze is so pretty and peaceful. Easily the most colorful and beautiful wind chimes I have owned. The colors are vibrant and the sound is lovely. Number 2. Funistree Green Flower Candle Warmer Lamp. Experience the delightful sense of your favorite candles without an open flame. This lamp offers a safe and efficient way to enjoy your scented candles, using less wax and saving you money. Set the perfect mood for any activity, whether it's sleeping, dining, yoga, or working. Let this lamp create a warm and inviting atmosphere to enhance every moment. Easily adjust the brightness to create your desired ambience and control how quickly your candles melt. With a built-in timer, you can set it to shut off after 2, 4, or 8 hours for peace of mind. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This elegant and practical lamp is an ideal Christmas present for moms, friends, or anyone who appreciates a touch of warmth and fragrance in their home. Enhance your home decor with this beautifully designed lamp. Its charming style adds warmth and sophistication to any room, allowing you to enjoy your favorite candle scents anywhere. What we like. Enjoy your favorite scented candles safely and without an open flame using this vintage-style warming lamp. If you're looking for a way to create a cozy environment for various occasions like sleeping, dining, or yoga, and want a beautiful home decor piece, this is an ideal choice. It's a thoughtful gift for women who appreciate both ambience and practicality. What people say. It warms the candle evenly and releases the scent just as well as burning it, if not better. I also love the design. It looks elegant and fits nicely with my home decor. It warms the candle beautifully and fills the room with the scent of whatever candle I'm using. What I also love is that it is not just functional, it is actually very pretty. It adds a nice decorative touch and makes the room look warmer and more inviting. I also really like the brightness setting and the timer function so I can control how fast I want the candle to start melting and how long it should stay on. Number 1. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Turn your ordinary shower into a spa-like sanctuary. Unwind after a long day and let the calming scents melt away your stress. It's the perfect way to find your moment of peace. Looking for the perfect gift? These make wonderful presents for Mother's Day, birthdays, or just because. Show her you care. Crafted with natural essential oils, each steamer offers a unique aromatic experience. Enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy in your own home. Discover the refreshing bloom scent designed to invigorate your senses. It's a delightful addition to your self-care ritual. Simply place one in your shower, away from the direct stream of water. Let the steam activate the soothing aromas. What we like. Indulge in a luxurious aromatherapy experience designed for ultimate relaxation and stress relief. If you're seeking a self-care gift for yourself or a loved one, especially for occasions like Mother's Day or birthdays, these shower steamers are perfect. They create a spa-like atmosphere in your own shower, melting away tension with natural essential oils. What people say. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. My nasal passage felt so good and I could smell the scent for a little while after getting out of the shower, which is exactly what I wanted. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. Hot water works best because the scent mixes with the steam. This worked out perfectly for me because I prefer to shower in temperatures that would make the devil lower the AC, but if you prefer cold showers it should still work. The scent just may not dissipate as much or as quickly. The scent round dissolves completely and leaves no residue, so it's not slippery afterwards and there's no safety concerns for children or pets. The scent will remain in the bathroom for a bit, but there's no cleanup involved. When this arrived, I could smell the heavenly scent of eucalyptus through the bubble wrap packaging, its normal bag packaging and the individual wrappers. Needless to say, we are both utilizing these. Vicks, move over because you don't have anything on these. You can still smell the vapors even once it fully dissolves. The smell is pure heaven. The way it opens your sinuses is too, and it can help, at least temporarily, stop your cough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.